Hello everyone and welcome to Wonderful Internet. Let's begin. A man made cookies that looked like a smartphone, but when he was stopped by a police officer for driving a car but still holding on to his cookies, this is what happened.
Ale dlaczego zostałem zatrzymany?
Dlatego, że rozmawia pan przez telefon.
A camera caught a hummingbird which appeared floating. It was the shutter speed of the camera and the wing flap speed of the bird were in complete sync with each other. The cat was so busy looking for something inside the box that it got stuck in it.
Oliver.
When two women were paragliding, one of the glider's sunglasses flew away and a couple of minutes later it suddenly came back from the sky directly into her hand. This girl at first was pretty confident that she could stand on top of a frozen lake without breaking it, but soon when she realized the base was not as strong as she thought it was, she started running to safety.
Are you okay? Oh my god, take your shoes off.
This artist walks through the snow-covered plains for hours after he has planned his route carefully. He first draws everything on paper so that he can be precise when he exhibits his art onto the snow. This is how this man fulfills his dream of owning a new Tesla car.
Don't tell her I gave you this. You have to take it very slowly. Very slow. She can't know. Okay. Go.
A scooter thief probably had a nasty surprise when he tried to steal a woman's cell phone. The thief thought the woman was holding her phone in her hands, but she was holding the used tissue with which she just blew her nose. A man shows a magic trick to an orangutan and it shows back some incredible reactions to it. Thank you everyone for watching. See you again in the next video. Take care. Bye.